Very good morning, students. Hope you all are okay. Today I am going to recite a beautiful poem before you. That's My Shadow. The poet is R.L. Stevenson. Here, the poet has presented this poem through a little boy, and here in the poem, a boy is assuming different things through his uh, shadow. What different things his shadow does, that he is talking about in all the poem. So let's have a look. Now see, read with me. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. So the boy says he has a little shadow. Okay, it's a general scenario, everybody has the shadow, but the boy is watching his shadow in a different way. So what he sees, see, what that goes in and out with me, the boy says his shadow always go wherever he goes. If he goes in, then shadow also goes in with him, and if he goes out, then shadow also accompanies him. And what can be the use of him? According to the boy, what more can be the use of that shadow? That shadow has to be with the boy only. Okay, is more than I can see, and whatever shadow does, is there anything else that shadow is doing? So let's have a look. What is she doing? What is the shadow doing? He is very very like me, the boy says. Shadow looks like him. Okay, it is same like the boy, from the heels up to the head. And the boy says the shadow is looking very similar to him, resembling him, right from the downside to till the top, from the heels, from the foot till the head. It is same like the boy, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Here in this picture also you can see the boy is jumping, and the shadow is also jumping with him, and the boy assumes when he jumps, the shadow also jumps before him. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. The boy says, what is very funniest, it is of joy, it is of great fun that shadow wants to grow before the boy. Okay, it wants to grow taller than the boy, not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. It's a general scenario that generally children grows up with the passage of time and gradually only. They do not grow fast, but the shadow wants to grow up rapidly, fastly, for he sometimes shoots up taller like a rubber ball. And as a rubber ball jumps high, similarly the shadow also wants to shoot up taller. Shoots up here means to grow taller very rapidly, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all, and sometimes the shadow looks very very small, and there can be no one that much small as it can be. So shadow is sometimes growing taller, sometimes it is becoming small. So this is the poem. Now we have back exercise of this poem. In part A, complete these sentences. I have a little dash, so I have a little shadow that follows me everywhere I go. He is like me from the heels up to the head. He dashed before me when I jump into my bed. He jumps. Okay, he jumps. Now look at the shadows and write the names of the animals. Here in the pictures you can see through the hands, we can see with the help of hands we can see the shadows of different animals. So let's see which animals are those. Number 1 we have wolf. This is the picture of a wolf. Number 2 is a rabbit. At number 3 we have an elephant. Number 4 is a dog. Number 5 is a camel. Then number 6 is a cow. Now we have comprehension practice. This you have to do in your notebook. This is your homework. Okay. So that's all for now. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you.